Okay, this will be an interesting one. It's not something I actually like. It's a nice item. I got it second hand. I'm just going to see if we can make this turn up a treat, folks. Going to start at that. This is going to be an interesting one if we could make it look good. Okay, let's see what we have. We have here, it says country music. It's a belt buckle, I do think. Country music, it's quite heavy and solid, like you'd expect a country music thing would be. But it's interesting. Country music. I'm not into country music, folks. It's really funny. There's a guy at my work who's into it, the supervisor. He likes his country music. He does. He's only young, and yet he appreciates country music. He used to play it at work, which I really found annoying because I hate country music, folks. I'm not into country music. I don't find it, it's not my thing. A lot of people do appreciate it, and it's not me. It's not my kind of music. But he does enjoy it, even though he's only young. I always imagine a country singer, a country music singer sounds a bit old, like really old. It's really hard to imagine a country music singer who is young, but apparently they are younger than you would expect. Some of them, they sort of don't make the stereotype of being an old man singing with a grey old beard, and you sort of imagine they love to drink plenty of whiskey. So, they have that sort of feel to it. I don't know. I'm not an expert. Like, country music just isn't my expertise or interest. That looks really nice, except the top is a bit high up. Maybe we'll keep it like that. But basically, country music just doesn't appeal to me. I just don't have any interest in it. I'm more into electronic music. That's the kind of shit that I like to listen to. And most country music, it's all, I think they have electric guitars in country music. They have a lot of acoustic guitar and shit like that. I used to think that country music would be nice if you're on a road trip, if you're going out in the country on a bus or better still in a car, mainly in a car. And I used to think that country music would make a really good accompaniment to a road trip, but I don't have that feeling anymore, folks. So that was when I was really young, or fairly young. But basically, I just don't have any liking for it. Country music, it's just not my thing. But I think country music isn't appreciated by that many people compared with pop music. But I really find it boring, country music, and a bit strange because I'm not used to it. It's a bit foreign feeling to me. It's not familiar like pop music is, especially older pop music. The new stuff is shit now anyway, so yeah. But this is the good old country music. Belt buckle. Anyway, that's come up looking better than I thought. I think now we can call this demo quits.